Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off retweets on your accounts on X Twitter on notification settings. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click notifications, now click preferences, and now click push notifications. And here you'll find it. Click on it and click off, and that's it, it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off retweets on your account on X Twitter. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.